Welcome to Caribbean Glow, Truffles. The very word evokes an air of mystery and luxury. Often mistaken for mushrooms, these culinary treasures occupy a realm entirely their own. They are the fruiting bodies of subterranean fungi, thriving on the roots of specific trees. Unlike mushrooms that fruit above ground, truffles grow hidden beneath the surface. Their irregular, lumpy shapes and earthy colors add to their mystique. The world of truffles is shrouded in intrigue, whispered about in hushed tones among chefs. Their scarcity and unique flavor profile have elevated them to legendary status in gastronomy. Truffles share a fascinating symbiotic relationship with certain tree species, primarily oak, hazel, beech, and pine. They form a mutually beneficial partnership with trees through a network of delicate fungal threads called mycelium. The mycelium attaches to the roots of its host tree, extending the tree's root system. In return, the tree provides the truffle with essential sugars and carbohydrates. This underground alliance is crucial for the truffle's survival and development. Understanding this relationship is key to appreciating truffle cultivation.
The subterranean nature of truffles makes them notoriously difficult to find. Unlike mushrooms that announce their presence with visible caps, truffles lie hidden beneath the surface, their potent aroma the only clue to their whereabouts. This elusiveness is part of what makes truffles so highly prized. For centuries, truffle hunters have relied on the keen sense of smell of trained animals to sniff out these underground treasures. Traditionally, pigs were used for their exceptional olfactory abilities, but their tendency to eat the truffles led to the widespread use of dogs. Truffle dogs, often Lagotto Romagnolos or other breeds with a superior sense of smell, undergo rigorous training to detect the distinct aroma of ripe truffles. They learn to pinpoint the truffle's location without damaging the delicate mycelium network. The hunt for truffles is a time-honored tradition, often shrouded in secrecy. Truffle hunters guard their hunting grounds closely, passing down their knowledge and techniques through generations. The thrill of the chase, combined with the anticipation of unearthing these culinary gems, adds to the allure of truffle hunting.
Section 4, Black and White and Shades in Between, Exploring Truffle Varieties. The world of truffles extends far beyond the well-known black and white varieties. While these two reign supreme, there are numerous other types, each with unique characteristics. Black truffles, like the Perigord, are known for their intense, earthy aroma. They evoke notes of chocolate, musk, and forest floor. White truffles are prized for their delicate, pungent aroma and garlicky flavor. The Italian white truffle is known for its intense aroma and high price. Beyond black and white, a spectrum of truffle varieties exists.
Section 5. Savoring the Essence. Truffles on your plate. Fresh truffles, with their fleeting aroma and delicate flavor, are best enjoyed immediately. Their volatile aromatic compounds begin to dissipate soon after harvesting, so time is of the essence when it comes to experiencing their full potential. Black truffles, with their robust flavor, lend themselves well to cooking. They can be incorporated into sauces, risottos, and even meats, imparting their earthy essence to the dish. However, their true magic is unleashed when shaved raw over finished plates, allowing their aroma to take center stage.
White truffles, on the other hand, are best enjoyed raw, their delicate flavor easily overpowered by heat. Shaved sparingly over pasta, eggs, or even simple toast, they elevate simple dishes to new heights.
Preserving truffles is an art form in itself. While nothing compares to the experience of fresh truffles, various methods exist to capture their essence and extend their shelf life. Truffle oil, butter, and honey are just a few ways to enjoy the flavor of truffles year-round.
Section 6, a world of aroma and flavor, truffles' enduring appeal, or as I like to call it, the truffle shuffle. Truffles, with their mysterious allure and captivating flavor, continue to enchant food lovers worldwide. It's like the culinary version of a magic trick. Now you see it, now you eat it. Their scarcity, coupled with the labor-intensive process of hunting and harvesting them, has solidified their status as a culinary luxury. Think of it as the world's fanciest game of hide and seek. But beyond their price tag and exclusivity, truffles offer a unique sensory experience. It's like a spa day for your taste buds. Their complex aroma and intense flavor have the power to elevate even the simplest dish, transforming it into something truly extraordinary. Imagine your mac and cheese getting a VIP upgrade. Whether enjoyed fresh, shaved over pasta, or infused into oil or butter, truffles add a touch of magic to any meal. It's like having a culinary fairy godmother. As we continue to explore the world of truffles, we discover new varieties, new flavor profiles, and new ways to appreciate these culinary gems. It's like Pokemon, but tastier. The allure of truffles lies not only in their taste, but in the entire experience they represent. It's like a gourmet adventure, minus the dragons. From the thrill of the hunt to the anticipation of their aroma filling the kitchen, truffles offer a journey for the senses, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a testament to the enduring power of food to captivate and inspire. So, next time you enjoy truffles, remember, you're not just eating, you're embarking on a delicious quest.